Ready? Start. US Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard has listed Pakistan among states that pose a significant threat to the United States, warning US lawmakers that Islamabad's evolving missile capabilities could potentially put the American homeland within range, presenting the 2026 annual threat assessment before the United States Senate Intelligence Committee on Wednesday. He said Russia, China, North Korea, Iran, and Pakistan have been researching and developing an array of novel, advanced, or traditional missile delivery systems with nuclear and conventional payloads that put our homeland within range. Pakistan's long range ballistic missile development potentially could include ICBMs with the range capable of striking the homeland. She said that the nations identified in the threat assessment report will likely seek to understand US plans for advanced missile defense for the purpose of shaping their own missile development programs and assessing US intentions regarding deterrence. She said the intelligence community foresees a sharp rise in missile threats over the next decade. Threats to the homeland will expand collectively to more than 16,000 missiles by 2035 from the current assessed figure of more than 3,000 missiles reacting to the assessment. Washington based scholar described the inclusion of Pakistan among the principal nuclear threats as a continuation of previous US policy trends. This continues the analysis of the Biden administration that placed sanctions on Pakistani entities and tried to curb acquisition of new technologies. He said argued that most public assessments placed the range of Pakistan's missile at less than 2,800 kilometers and that Islamabad has maintained its nuclear program is aimed solely at deterring India. US officials downplay concerns about Pakistan targeting others while highlighting regional tensions, militancy, and nuclear risks in South Asia. Alongside Iran conflict uncertainties and broader geopolitical instability affecting US interests and allies.